Fire just revealed something ginormous. Look at this beast.
Check this out. Holy smokes.
Here we go. Oh, look at that. I bet you this is the shed off my dad's buck he killed just over that hill, not even 200 yards away. Deer scored 178, and this looks like a younger version of him. What an amazing find.